looking. They're looking. That was the time to deal with. They were coming. We saw flying up here.
This is where we are now, because the police are still looking for us. Fucking looking at the choppers.
So the artist right there, we were chased somewhere there. Here, as you can see, we're on pretty damn steep mountains. We climbed all this shit up. There is like the like watchtower or whatever. So past here real quick. I'll watch your step.
Look at this. We're at the border. Let us see if this one is easier to cross than the one from afternoon. Oh, yep, yep. Now we're gonna go to a little cabin where we can stay and eat, get refreshed. So yeah.